yesterday we did the painting, so the house got neglected. So unfortunately, instead of sitting on my butt and rotting, which I would love a day to do that, I gotta tidy up. All the snow is melting.
I like them all.
You're lining them up? Wow, baby.
It's for me.
Yeah.
It's not for you.
Yeah, you gotta be nice. Alright, which one? You wanna open them and pour them in?
Yeah. I want this.
Uh-oh. I did a little too much. The other way. That way. Turn it that way. Come on. The other way. Turn your arm. Yep, like that. Now pedal, pedal. A little tricky. Look at you. Wow, girlie. Look at you. Wow, that was so good. Ow. You saw me. Mommy's trying to tell me. Can you come? What's All right, row your boat. Yeah, come on, girlie. Row your boat. Row, yeah, look. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Rock your boat gently down the stream. You see them? Look it. They have 4 teeth, you have 2 teeth. They're smiling. Those are babies like you. Cute. Mia's hand reminds me of this one movie I used to watch, and I can't remember. It's making me want to watch it. But the girl was in art class, and I believe they threw blue paint all over the girl, and she was trying to wash it out. And then everybody started like chasing her. I can't remember what it's called. I used to love that movie. I remember it was on VCR set, and it was an orange videotape. But I don't remember what it is called. Whoa. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Uh-oh. No, Mama, let's not put it on his head. Careful, gentle. my husband gets home, I feel like I want to try to record me getting so excited to see him, to see what his reaction is. Usually, unfortunately, when you have kids, it's kind of like you're always just rushing. It's like, hey, you're home, yay, and that's it. But I want to try to be so excited, like Mia excited to see him. I am excited to see him, but I want to actually put in the effort so he knows I'm excited to see him. So you guys, I'm gonna be so disappointed if he does not react like in a good way. If he's just like, hey, I'm baby. I hope he doesn't do that. He had kind of a bad day, but let's hope. I'm gonna start crying though, so let's see how it is. Yes, yes.
Doesn't he do that?
Yeah. I've been scared before, like, and he was copying me.
Te voy a chingar.
What?
I'm just kidding.
¿Qué pasó?
Just today. And I was
Can you help?
I'll be alright.
What? Superman. Wow, I missed you. I missed you. What happened? Uh-oh.
Why is the red remote out?
Oh, it's trying to clean up.
Oh, okay.
Daddy.
Alright. My pants
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mom.
What's up? Aww. Your little baby is trapped.
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
I don't see it.
Right here.
Where?
Right here. By me. By me, Mom. By me.
Oh my God, I see a box moving. What is it?
Here.
Where?
Right here.
let's watch superhero Mia.
Superhero.
Wait, that's Sky. I don't see Mia. What happened to Mia? Sky, where's Mia?
I don't know. Look at the camera.
Listen long enough, you can love me. I'll be just yours, you can hold me. Even let you undress my mind. Save it, play it, watch it, then press rewind. I can give you what you need. I can give you what you need. Breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind. I'll take you far, far away. I'll make you feel alright. You gotta crave it and chase it until you're close enough to taste it. I can give you what you need. I can give you what you need.
So, Daddy got Mia Legos yesterday. Sparkling dragon. Strong. Vacuum? Vacuum? What? Vacuum the floor. Yeah. And you told me vacuum too? Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. I must vacuum the floor.
Whoa, he caught it! He caught it! We caught it again! Yo! Yo! Alright, chill. Wow, this is cool, man. Look at this one. Oh, he caught it! Catch it. Oh, he caught it again! Catch it, go! Can you do it again? Yo, this guy's a professional bass. Say
Say
love
love
you,
you,
birdie.
birdie. No fighting. How are you trying to do it? Okay. Wow, Poppy, are you trying to curl? Yay! Yay! Wow! 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 What, Poppy? Look at you! Wow! Wow! Puzzle time. I'm feeling especially stressed today because it's tax time. Alright, so I haven't done this in a long time. I feel like I need to make more time for myself. I haven't gotten my hair done in a while. I keep saying I want to go to the gym again. I need to try to pencil that in. I need to do home workouts. I could only do home workouts like once a week. But yeah. I'm having 10 minutes to myself right now. Today is not the day. You heard, today is not the day. Okay. Okay. Thought that was somebody listening to me and about to start laughing at me. But it is just the cat. It is mommy Zazzy time. Alright, y'all. What should we talk about? What should we talk about? Daddy's trying. Mia loves milk so much. So we usually drink almond milk. Mia loves regular milk.
Disgusting.
Yeah, he said it tastes like old. I tried it.
They spoil.
I tried it a few months ago because I had some cookies and we had no almond milk. I want to gag. Do you guys like regular milk? Or what?